Immediately send robots and reconnaissance. Don't be offended by someone's arrogance. It's always right to be lenient. People do but don't act. As cities rise with skyscrapers and streets intertwine, the form of future warfare is quietly changing with robots and Robot Dog Group, unmanned combat units, conducting reconnaissance through narrow alleys and abandoned buildings, bomb disposal and fire support mission. They used high-speed mobility and precise perception compensates for the limits of human physical ability in complex situations. Cooperative operations in electromagnetic and information interference environments. Achieve all-weather, multi-dimensional coverage. Urban warfare is no longer just. It's not a battle of hand-to-hand combat between soldiers, but a contest between algorithmic data and iron will. Whoever controls the intelligent drone swarm may gain the upper hand on future battlefields. Building a million-strong unmanned robot army is imperative. Currently, my country's robotics technology and artificial intelligence have made rapid progress. This makes it possible to build an army of millions of unmanned robots. Recently rumor. Good news, my country has developed military weapons. The device can connect to 10,000 robots, which means can be manipulated. Controlling 10,000 robots in coordinated combat, my country's current powerful and highly intelligent. Drone and robot dog technology, unique in the world and capable of mass production of such. We are fully prepared to build the world's largest drone robot army. Building a drone robot army in the military. Strategically, it can reduce the number of people. Drones and robots can reduce casualties and losses. Performing missions in hazardous environments, such as nuclear radiation and biological, chemical environments, contaminated areas or facing enemies. Fang's powerful firepower can replace soldiers in charging into battle, thereby reducing personnel casualties, risk of injury and loss. Unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, unmanned surface vessels USVs, and unmanned combat vehicles UCVs are among the types of robots that can be deployed. They possess a level of precision and reaction speed far exceeding that of humans. Able. Force can be used in a short time. Precisely target. Combat effectiveness can be greatly improved by robotic armies that can overcome human physiological limitations. Limited to performing tasks in extreme environments, overcoming human physiological extremes such as extreme cold, extreme heat, high pressure, and hypoxia. Such combat power is beyond the reach of human warriors. Beyond reach. From the perspective of the evolution of warfare, drone and robot armies are bound to emerge in the future. Its widespread application in various conflicts and wars is inevitable, changing traditional combat methods to make warfare more intelligent and precise. The covert large-scale use of robots can also. Unmanned robots can reduce war costs, casualties, and material consumption without performing tasks in environments requiring human survival support. It can greatly improve resource utilization efficiency and can be said to be extremely profitable. Like, if we build a 1 million-strong robot army, we can definitely defeat the European and American forces. An overwhelming military advantage now belongs to Europe and the United States. They are really very headaches due to decades of deindustrialization and their rapid industrial manufacturing capacity. They are simply unable to rapidly and on a large scale manufacture advanced robots. Our robot army will. Invincible and unrivaled in the world, there is no need to worrying about national defense, no more worries about Europe. The invasion and blockade of NE by the United States, we can then devote all our efforts to building the country and continue in this way. The prosperous and strong Chinese dream is just around the corner. Therefore, it is imperative to build an army of 1 million unmanned robots. Recently, my country's land, sea, and air forces. The Human Legion made a stunning appearance, showcasing the powerful capability of domain-coordinated operations includes swarms of Atlas drones in the air. One person, capable of controlling 96 reconnaissance and jamming strike aircraft, firing one every 3 seconds. Body attack. 11 stealth drones can accurately strike new land targets from the air. The machine Wolfpack has a clear division of labor. Since degree of flexibility in limbs, voice and gesture control, and coordinated combat. The autonomous formation capabilities of unmanned maritime equipment have significantly improved the endurance of its precursor vehicles. These unmanned devices are transmitted via footnet. Now, discovery, location, strike, assessment, evasion, and swarm intelligence collaborative operations with zero casualties and low-cost advantages. This is driving the evolution of warfare towards intelligence and unmanned operation to provide military protection for safeguarding national security. Everyone has seen unmanned tanks and unmanned armored vehicles, but what truly changes the way land warfare is conducted is the other two pieces of equipment are first. In the past, robot dogs were merely used as children's robots, children's toys, or ordinary household appliances. However, this weapon's presence has recently received an unprecedented boost in prominence since the domestic production of individual robot dogs. Having emerged from the laboratory, it is now part of the PLAS tactical system. It plays a very important role and has become a powerful tactical weapon. The robot dogs currently deployed by the PLA can be used too, carrying the Type 95 assault rifle, a small rocket launcher, or even a single missiles through smart chip, controlling the weapon in hand to complete the mission against the enemy target. The robot dog is entirely composed of metal parts, but on the battlefield ... Jumping and crawling. Roll. Moving forward. Tactics. The movements can be completed very well, whether it's flat ground or staircase buildings. It can move forward steadily and maintain its momentum during the process. Continued. The enemy used fire suppression to cover the PLA soldiers in achieving their tactical missions. Most importantly, the robot dog didn't. Having vital signs allows one to withstand significant battle damage. Only. To start the production line, unmanned robot dogs can be deployed in a very short time. Mass production and my country's military research institutions will also develop unmanned aerial vehicle UAV robots. Continue step. Technological development has given it a stronger ability to identify friend or foe and to operate independently. Ultimately, this will promote the PLA Army's tactical system. The change in the system also addresses the PLA Army's mobility issues. The team is also equipped with a large number of Lynx infantry, Its appearance allowed a light infantry unit. Gaining powerful mobility in a very short time was previously. In the last century, Western countries all acknowledged the patriotism on the Korean battlefield. Volunteer Army. It represents the pinnacle of human light infantry history, yet the People's Liberation Army has never taken pride in this so-called light infantry. It is by virtue of the marching route is completed on foot, based on roads that are walkable for humans. In fact, we do not. He preferred to be a light infantryman because the army was severely lacking in mechanized equipment. Forced to fight against front wheels with their own 2 feet. Over the past 2 decades, the PLAS mechanization has reached its peak, and military information. Construction. We achieved a milestone victory, but we have not forgotten. Remembering our traditional strengths in training officers and soldiers. In addition to combat physical fitness, it is equipped with an all-terrain vehicle like the Cat car. Tanks can greatly improve the mobility of troops. In short, the most practical significance of the motorcycle for the People's Liberation Army it's to let the soldiers to ride 4 wheels while retaining the agility and mobility of light infantry. It is like a single soldier robot dog. Oh, the current Cat car. It is already capable of carrying out combat missions with both light and heavy weapons. This new equipment, which is not limited to transporting troops, is just beginning its era. In 2020, China's Special Forces launched a Digital Operations Transformation Plan. A battle took place inside a secret base. The transformation from traditional warfare to cyber warfare is quietly underway, with research and development teams working day and night. Guanzi AI. The intelligent combat system deeply integrates unmanned aerial vehicle electronic warfare equipment with AI algorithms. Team members wear smart terminals to get real-time battlefield information. The sight of swarms of drones hovering like flies, precisely locking onto their targets, is even more astonishing. It's regrettable that cyber infiltration tacticians can remotely control enemy devices. Paralyzed in just 3 minutes during the simulated exercise. Complete a silence operation against the enemy's command system. Cyber raiders. Engineer Jap Lichuan led his team to overcome the challenges of data link sharing, facing the fatal weakness of information transmission delay. Their optimization algorithm reduced the system's response time to 0.1 seconds. He said, "Our goal is to get the enemy connected to the network." No one dared to use this breakthrough to facilitate the flow of battlefield information. Like lightning, it completely reversed the rhythm of the battle. The digital transformation of China's Special Forces has now taken shape in the eyes of foreign media. The initiative in global cyber warfare, including information deterrence, is quietly shifting eastward. From traditional to digital, this team is cutting through the mysteries of future warfare with pioneering spirit. The next episode of Fork will reveal how the female Special Forces company became Battlefield Roses.